Welcome to the Nexus. If you are hearing this message, then you have been chosen to fight to save the gaming world. The Nexus was created by Philip Yates to link all systems together, enabling him to spread his viruses into competing games. This program has been rewritten by myself to send out a cry for help and to grant you the power to do so.
Why am I an elf, Miles?
This world does not have much time. Help us, Plumber, Elf, and Hedgehog, your only hope.
So what do you like? Mario before the mushroom?
Miles? Elias? Nate? Why's the door open? Where are they?
Everything seems fine here.
Look out!
Come on. You're...
Lara Croft. Seems like the recruits need a bit of training, but at least they've got spirit.
So that message earlier.
That was me. I called you here to help stop the new games from wiping us out.
You're not exactly the epitome of old school gaming.
New enough to hide among the ranks of the new guys, but old enough to remember my roots. Now come on, we have other worlds to defend. We have to do them here for now.
Sorry to disappoint, Miss Croft.
No!
What is that?
He activated Yates' virus to wipe this place out.
So what do we do?
We have to get out of here before we're pulled in. You have to go rescue the others from Dante. The rest of you stay with me. We'll have to defend the next world. This one's lost.
Lara!
Miles!
You three have to go.
We have to go back for Miles.
No, Miles is gone. What do you mean he's gone?
That was my last life. You'll have to take my place. Dante has the others trapped. Head north to Bowser's castle to find them. You two have to go to protect Kirby's dreamland from the god's warrior Kratos. Head south to the power ring to get there. You have to hurry.
Doesn't look like we have much choice.
Good luck, guys.
What happened?
We got pulled into the void.
Then why aren't we dead?
Because I didn't want you to be. Not yet, anyway.
Get out of here.
No.
You have betrayed your own kind, Lara. You are one of us. In a sense, you began our legacy.
A legacy I'm not proud of, and one that will end with you.
You've ensured your own game over, Miss Croft. Get your disgusting pixels out of my sight. No! You can't go in there! No matter, the good doctor is of no further use to me. My troops will march on by day's end.